Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the latest codes on Dress to Impress. So you're going to select this code icon here and you're going to type this code. Select redeem. I've already redeemed it. And you're going to go to the closet, well, changing room. I don't know what you want to call it. Go to codes, and if you go down, you'll be able to see these are the new items. There's like been a slight error in the changing room, so I have to like get out every time. But these are all the new items that they have, the new codes. If you want to find other new items that are not codes but you can't find it, these are where you can like basically purchase them. So go to your money icon and select the third tab. Then here is where you can buy the new items, which is the witch set, acoustic guitar, supernova star set, and the skull thigh high boots. So I already owned everything. That is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!